In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Snapchat stories anonymously without your friends knowing you viewed their stories. That's pretty simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application, swipe from the right to left, and here you get all your stories and you just swipe it and look at them. I got no one, imagine that I got some, and all I need to do now is to wait for a couple of seconds to get them loaded, then hop up Snapchat and turn on AVIA mode. This action will stop all your internet connection. It can be mobile internet connection or it can be Wi-Fi. It blocks all of them, and then go back to the Snapchat, swipe again, and here you're able to look stories because they are already downloaded on your device. So I'll tap on that and I can watch them. I can't watch stories from Discover section, but I will be able to watch stories from my friends list. And then when you finish, just close your Snapchat, just turn off AVIA mode and then go back to Snapchat, and all the stories will be here unwatched. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.